the universe begins to flow. Layer 3 is where the cosmos transitions from silent structure to dynamic motion. Nothing is standing still anymore. Everything now responds to the landscape beneath it, following the terrain carved by curvature and memory. Section 1. Motion emerges from gradients. To understand Layer 3, imagine the universe as a landscape that is constantly shifting, bending, and rearranging itself. In Layer 1, this landscape acquires its basic shape, regions that sag and curve depending on the energy stored within them. In Layer 2, the universe begins to remember those shapes, creating a running ledger of what passed through, what interacted, and what left a trace. With these two layers established, Layer 3 introduces the concept of gradients. A gradient is simply a difference, a slope from one condition to another. It may be a difference in height, in energy, in temperature, or in the curvature of space-time itself.